Take a look at AMD's showcase here. This is now the AMD Ryzen Z2. This is the Lenovo. This is Lenovo's Legion Go S. I believe that's the new version, what it's called. Of course, you got like the similar feeling when it comes to Joy-Cons here. And then they also have this. I think this is the Go S because it doesn't have the detachable joysticks. It's almost kind of reminds you of like how the ASUS ROG Ally is. So I'm curious what type of frames you can really pull out of it. But this is quite an incredible device. Here goes another one right here. It's quite a large display you can really play on. And quite the collections of laptops that they have here. Of course, here goes the ROG Flow. Now here goes I know everyone was joking about this, but the HP Ultrabooks, which now they're calling the HP Pro and the HP Pro Max, and which is funny because it's almost a similar name to what they were calling the MacBooks. But here are the 9955HX 3D laptops, and then some of them do feature the AI 300 on them. And they feature, well, they don't really want to say, but it does feature the next-gen Radeon GPUs in. So it really is out. It just hasn't been really officially announced because I believe a lot has to do with the pricing side. Here are their smaller collections of the Dell desktops and the smaller, almost like a NUC, but they call them the Pro systems. So you can take a look right here. Yeah, it's pretty nice, right? And again, let me just go back here because Lenovo came out with their system here, where it is the Go, where it comes with the Ryzen Z2. Let me see. Right here. And it actually has Spider-Man Miles Morales on it. And look how smooth it is. I would love if they put the frame counter on there. And then that way you can get a consensus of exactly how smooth the game is running. But I mean, it is amazingly smooth. And this would be great to bring on the Go, especially if you want to play long gaming sessions. And they do have the S model right here, where it doesn't have the detachable joysticks, where it's much more smaller and it's a little bit more robust, kind of like the lower model of it. And of course, you got the regular Lenovo Go. More than likely, it's going to be called version 2 or part 2. And here you are. AMD, together we advance. And let me get on this side right here. Again, there's more showings of laptops. I know some of you probably want to see I know a lot of you want to see the 9800X 3D here. Maybe the 9950X 3D. It's probably somewhere here, but I just got to find it. Now, this is just their more of productivity models here. This has the Ryzen AI 300 series. These are kind of the ones that they had earlier this year. And let me go over to something a little bit more appealing here. And you can see how pretty busy it is. Now, they're showing some AI models here and more AI prompts here. So for all those who are interested in creating their own AI models, it's definitely possible. You just have to get their graphics cards are able to do it. Of course, they're not going to be as advanced as NVIDIA's, but it still can be possible.
I just started out as a workstation form.
Now let me go back over here. Now this is their Ultrabook. This is right here. Now this is their ZBook. This has the AI Max 395 in it. And you can see right there, they're doing an AI test lip sync. And this one's pretty dope. This guy you got here, he's kind of drawing, and you can see in the screen. It's pretty amazing. Yeah, right?
Hello.
Yeah. Amazing device.
Any questions or anything?
Yeah,
Do you
so,
want to try it out, or how do you want to do it?
what? So you're just drawing up the image and it's able to generate it via AI, is it?
So if I turn this down
Right,
so that it's using less of the denoising strength,
right.
or what I refer to as the imagination strength, then it will adhere closer to the image. I can, because we're using Photoshop,
Right,
and it's using automate input generator image assets,
right.
it is going to just use the images that it generates.
Oh,
from the
okay.
.png.
Right.
So there's no direct connection.
Uh-huh.
So there's no plugins that we need to install or anything into Photoshop to make it work.
Right.
But it's agnostic, so it could use Photoshop, it could
Uh-huh.
use a video camera, it could use Blender, it could use ZBrush, it doesn't matter.
Oh, okay. So
So-
you can use it really in any program. That's
Yes.
pretty cool.
So that's the thing, is trying to meet the artist where they're at, rather than, oh, now you need to learn this new drawing program.
Right.
So now, as you can see, I move it up, and we get a whole bunch of different shapes. Now, if I go in here, I can adjust my hue and saturation
Right.
to be just blue, and then we get the blue dress, or we get the green dress, or we can change the colorization.
Oh, wow.
And now we go, okay, well, what does that give me? Yeah. And
Right.
then it will switch over and get that whole thing.
Oh, wow. So you get that, Fan Man? You get that, guys? So that's very interesting stuff that you can do,
Yep.
especially with generative AI, the
Exactly.
possibilities of it.
It's running 100% locally.
Right.
So you can run your own, it's running on SDXL right now.
Right.
You can run your own SDXL model from Civet or wherever you download it.
Right.
Train your own LoRa's, run your own LoRa's, anything like that. You don't have to worry about credits or anything
Right.
like that. We have a free version you can download, try it out, and make sure it works on your thing.
Right.
Most of the features are already available on that free version, so you can do exactly what I'm doing right now. With the
Awesome.
version,
So you can download this for free. I
Yeah.
believe it's Devant Studio, is it?
So,
Where is it?
DevantSystems.com is
Devant. Okay, so right here, Devant Systems. You can download this completely free and try it out. And you could even generate your own AI. So give it a shot. Definitely give it a shot. That is something awesome to see right there. Hopefully you can scan that QR code and everything, but it is some amazing tech. All right, thanks so much. Yeah. All right, so we got like a streaming setup.
We have to actually work on it.
I know everybody dreams about something like this, a nice streaming setup with the lights and everything. Got it looks like Elgato up on the monitor up here. You got the, I guess this is their Black Ops setup. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Amazing. All right, let's try to go find their processors, because I know some of you guys are probably craving for that. So I'm gonna go walk around, maybe see something here. I might be back here. No, I don't think so. It looks like a break room over here in the back. And let me go over here. Matter of fact, let me go up here. I see something, but I don't know if I could really take it off the shelf. I'd probably get thrown out for that. But, take a look up there. There you go. The mythical beast, the RX 9070s. That's funny. So again, it does exist. It's not just a myth. Yeah, that's a nice one right there, right? They got Razer. Anything you can think of. And I don't think the show has the CPUs on display. Let me see if I could find a system with a 9950 X3D in it. Let's see. I wonder if it's this. There goes Ratchet and Clank. Any of you Ratchet and Clank fans out there? That's a nice looking build. Anybody want this type of setup? This would be pretty cool to have in the house, but you can imagine how expensive that would be. Having your own data center here. But all right, so let me see. Let me get to the next side here. It's probably gonna be around here. Oh, that's pretty cool. They got the DaVinci up here.
What's up, man?
Hey, how's it going?
Not too bad. How are you?
I'm doing all right.
It's nice to meet you.
Chris.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I don't
Yeah.
interrupt your recording. Sorry.
Oh, no, it's okay. I'm live. Yeah, so yeah, you can. So what's this about? Is
Yes.
it?
So Powder is an AI-assisted cooking toolkit for
Okay.
gamers and gaming creators.
Oh,
And it
okay.
automatically transforms multi-hour gaming streams or gameplay recordings into a myriad of polished clips tailored
Right.
to your needs within moments. Historically, we've been a post-processing software, which you can see on the left right there.
Right.
And it'll take your recording and then analyze it, and it'll take a little bit of time. But we're very excited to be here at CES in partnership with AMD because we have ported our technology to neural processing units, which enables us to deliver real-time clips without impacting gaming performance.
Oh, that's awesome. So you could get like all the coolest highlights practically,
Yeah.
and just like.
So we have two different kinds of AI models. The first are in-game, so
Right.
that's vision algorithms that identify the headshots, the frags, the whatever. And then we have other models that are agnostic, so they analyze your microphone, your emotional reactions. So we really capture the theater of gaming.
Oh wow.
And then we also transcribe every single word spoken via your microphone.
Right.
So you can keyword search if you say boom headshot or like oh damn I dropped my coffee. It'll bring up all the clips of those moments.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
So you could you generate something like a angry moment?
Oh yeah,
and then,
definitely.
Oh yeah.
'Cause,
So
we're actually training the AI at the moment to create user personas. So right now we do like the best in-game moments and the best emotion-based moments.
Uh-huh.
But if a user prefers like fail moments or funny, goofy moments,
Right.
the AI eventually will learn that over time.
Oh, that's
And
awesome.
present those as alternative suggestions.
That's great.
Yeah, Powder is mostly free. We have a pro version that has 4K exports and 4K recording, and the NPU real-time element is a pro feature.
Right.
But for most people, it's entirely free, and we offer 1 month of
Look
Powder
at there, guys.
Pro for free.
So give that a shot, especially if you want to give it a chance for AI generative highlights. It's pretty dope. You can say anything that you want. If you spilled your coffee and you want to know the exact time that you did it, you can absolutely look for it. So make sure you scan that QR code.
Nice.
All right, thanks a lot.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks. All right. So here you got the AI Max Flow. This is the ASUS laptops that are ready to go. You could take apart the laptops. I did try to film this a little bit earlier, but it was a little bit tough in the ASUS room because, again, it was insanely packed. Everybody you could think of was there. But anyway, it was insanely packed. And now this is the ASUS Flow. I did manage to get it on film, so you guys can check it out. You can take it apart. You can take it on the go. It's practically a tablet. It has these USB-C on the side of it. It has the HDMI port if you want to hook it up to a bigger display. And It is super light, which I really like about it. It has a little camera. It really is like a tiny laptop you can take on the go. So this is what they mean, that you can play games on the go. I mean, just look how smooth the interaction is. So you could really play it anywhere. Just imagine you're stuck on an airplane, especially if you're on it for 10 hours, and you really could kill some time playing some Ratchet and Clank. All right, guys, I'm going to the next room. I'm more than likely gonna look for a thermal tape next, because unfortunately I couldn't go to MSI. I don't think Ace Rock is here today. So, hey man, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in a little bit.